Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a super aware app not working. So let's get started. So here I can see the super aware app. Okay, just click on here. So at here we can see the app. So we'll just skip it. So you have to, if it's not working, then you have to click and hold that button here. Just click on the app info. Okay. So on the app info, you have to scroll down and click on the storage button, and here you have to click on the clear data and delete the data. After that, you have to go back and open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work, after and also you have to check for the update. Just go ahead here and the Google, you have to search for the super aware app. Okay, just for aware super app. Okay, aware super app. Okay, just leave on here. So by this way you can just update it and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.